Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 5, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since January 4, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -4.61. Now, let's take a close look at how the stock has actually performed during this period. Interestingly, the stock has exceeded our system's predictions and gained 1.37%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.68% since it was flagged as a sell candidate. The ETF is currently in a strong rising trend, offering a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $25.22 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rise and potentially a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 74.46% change over the next 3 months. This means that the potential return could range between 69.65% and 127.03%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 50.33% change over the next year. This translates to a potential return between -4.12% and 89.07%. So, after a year, the price range could be between $24.86 and $49.03. Our latest update for the SOXL ETF brings an important headline: SOXL ETF upgraded to sell candidate. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 5, 2024, the SOXL ETF price rose by 1.37%, going from $25.58 to $25.93. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 4.8%, reaching a low of $25.40 and a high of $26.62. The price has been fluctuating during this period, resulting in a loss of 7.72% over the last 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 1 million shares, with a total of 73 million shares bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.90 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal changes in the upcoming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $32.78, while the lowest price was $9.56. Currently, the price is 20.9% or $6.85 below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 93.14% or $352.31 below the all-time high, which was reached on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Today, we will be discussing the signals that have been identified for SOXL. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which can be seen as an early warning sign. It is important to closely monitor this ETF. Additionally, there are some negative signals that have been issued, which may have an impact on the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals for the SOXL ETF, suggesting a more negative forecast. If there are any corrections upwards, the stock may encounter resistance at $28.82 and $26.12. However, if it manages to break above these levels, it will generate buy signals. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decrease of -19.85% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator gives a sell signal. The pivots indicate a sell signal 7 days ago. According to the Bollinger Bands, there was a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average gives a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gives a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 40 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gives a buy signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 25 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. In this video, we will discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for the ETF SOXL. Let's start with the downside. Currently, the ETF has support levels at $22.14 and $20.60, based on accumulated volume. When an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the $22.14 support is broken, the next support will be at $20.60 and $19.47. It's important to note that this ETF is considered high risk due to its volatility. It can experience significant movement during the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF. Looking at the last day, the ETF had a price range of $1.22 or 4.8% between its high and low points. Over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 5.97%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for SOXL. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $26.11. If you don't already own any shares, it might be advantageous to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $22.14. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock price. Unfortunately, our evaluation for this ETF is negative and no stop loss has been set. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Despite the positive trend, our analysis shows several negative signals for the SOXL ETF, indicating weak performance in the near future. Therefore, we have downgraded our evaluation of this ETF from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. On Monday, January 8th, we expect SOXL to open up at $25.98, with an increase of $0.0533. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. What's your target for the ETF? We're excited to hear from you. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. With your support, we can continue providing valuable insights for successful trading. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you have a wonderful day.